A very warm good evening to one and all gathered here. Sorry for speaking two words in English because I am not much fluent in Kannada, though I can read and write Kannada, but I unable to speak fluently in Kannada. Therefore, let me speak a few words in English. Respected dignitaries on the dais and off the dais, it is an honor and privilege to be here today as the chief guest for this remarkable occasion of excellent PU College. I extend my heartfelt congratulations to the management, faculty, staff, and especially the students for management, encouraging and organizing such a wonderful event that brings us all together to celebrate the spirit of education and achievement. As we know, this is a day to transform ourselves, and the college is nothing but the primary place to encourage and transform our enthusiasm and our future life. It is a place to transformative phase in every student's life, a time of growth, learning and discovery. Students are not just about academics, but also about building character, exploring new opportunities, and fostering lifelong friendship. This institution, I believe, has been a cornerstone in nurturing these values, empowering students to pursue excellence in all the endeavors. I have to remember in a special way Mr. Sumant Kumar Jain, the backbone of this excellent institution. His hard work and his vision and mission are appreciable, and we have to thank God for giving him this kind of remarkable talent and capacities to execute what is there in his mind. As we heard, we execute what we think. So first of all, we have to plan everything in our mind. Then only that execution will be in a proper place and proper manner. So I think Mr. Sumant Jay is a leading figure of our nation. As you celebrate today, I urge you all to reflect on the goals you have set for yourselves. I know the age of this PUC is not merely an academic, but the holistic growth of every individual. Remember, success comes not only from hard work, but also from resilience adaptability, and the ability to embrace challenges as opportunities. So, dear children, you are lucky enough to get this kind of a tremendous opportunities and chances to develop your own capacities and your own uniqueness, because each one is unique. So that uniqueness is the model for your own future. Therefore, you are the future leaders, innovators, and change makers of our society. Use this platform to develop not only your skills but also a sense of responsibility towards the world around you. Remember, education is the most powerful tool to shape not only your destiny but also that of others. I am thrilled to witness the talents and the accomplishments being celebrated here today. I am confident that this institution will continue to serve as a beacon of inspiration and excellence in education. Let us use this day as an opportunity to appreciate our achievements and recommit ourselves to our shared vision of growth and progress. Thank you for inviting me to be part of this wonderful celebration, and I wish all the pillars of this institution success and best wishes and congratulations. May God Almighty bless each one of us. Thank you. Have a nice day.
ಸತ್ಯ ಸ್ಪಷ್ಟ ನೇರ ಸುದ್ದಿಯೊಂದಿಗೆ ಯು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಟಿವಿ, ಇದು ಹೊಸತನದ ಸಂಕಲನ.